Welcome to Shawnee, Oklahoma. We are here in the windiest day of the year, it feels like. 30-mile-an-hour winds blowing our car all over the highway. And we're here for the practice session on 41 feet, which for me is usually a coin toss. If the gutter hooks, we're going to look good. And Kevin said from the first practice squad that the gutter hooks. So I'll check back in with you guys later on if it hooks. Chris?
Yeah, wrist is feeling all right and ready to get bowling. Had 4 days off, something like that? 3 days off?
4 days off, ready for Shawnee. Had a little bit of practice. Chris did a little bit of watching and resting up. And I think we're ready. So let's get this practice squad started and tell you what we see out there. Isn't it weird that they're playing music during a roll-off?
Music?
Music?
It's strange. They're playing music during a roll-off.
So we walked into this practice session and Toby Sambueno and Thomas Kaiko are rolling off for the alternate spot if someone withdraws. So they tied at 163 over during the PTQ, and if somebody withdraws, one of them will get that spot. So they're doing a roll-off for that spot. I don't know. Dude, my urethane ball ain't making it back at all. No? I agree with that. That ball looks like money, though.
She needs some
a lot of surface.
hitting.
You don't think ever?
One out there?
Yeah, there is, right out there. It's a red one. How's it going, Tony?
Good to see you.
Reactive
did a pretty good job of coming off of it, yeah.
Yeah, mine
Kevin got it off.
Thanks.
Do a 3-inch spin.
What?
Do a 3-inch spin.
The top speed, same layout. Yay! No shoe? Get some balls from the car. That's the best look. I told Mike I wanted to drill a stronger one, just like, because that seems still a little weak. Yeah, and Dino hit it with surface. So I'd like to have one like that. And then one that's like absolutely crushed at 500. The goal of this practice session was to commit to something. And that's to the purple hammer like every week.
Back.
I'm trying to, do the Wichita State thing, really lengthen the follow through. I don't mind that at all. I tried to move like a little bit, and you just can't. He does have sick ball roll. Yeah. It's hard for me to throw it that slow. Hold on a second, Daddy's in town. I was really hoping that the surface would make that thing hook. That's me? That's me? Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. He said he don't get no breaks. He gets no break. Round 2 of Mitch getting breaks.
Oh, messenger. Oh, repaid.
Yeah! No, that ball doesn't look bad, except when I do that with my fucking bail on it, Packy. Ew. Mind the purple hammer. I just jammed on that one, threw it into the lane. What the hell is that thing?
Don't even know.
Are you drilling it?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
So what if everybody's throwing it and I don't have one?
You need it, that's why we drill it.
Then we'll have an issue.
What do we do when we have an okay look?
Drill another ball.
Drill more balls. We're all wrapped up here at the practice session. I'm in bed after thinking about my entire day, and it went well to start. I thought I had maybe a little bit of a look with those purple hammers, but I definitely needed a little more surface, definitely needed it to read the lane earlier and smoother than the ones that I had, which were going a little too far down lane, just not enough overall hook. And when I hit them with surface, they look better, but I think I needed another option with a very strong one with a lot of surface. And then you see me went to the reactive balls there for a little bit, and I thought I had some really good shapes with the verge salad. I drilled up an extra GB4 that you saw me drill up at the end, which I think with a short pin, like a 3-inch pin, almost, you know, looking at like a maximum flare where we're looking for the smoothest shape possible, because I think they are going to be pretty challenging. So smoother, control the pocket is going to be definitely what we're looking for tomorrow. But hopefully that's what we create with those newer bowling balls, and that's what we create with some of those smoother shapes tomorrow. So until tomorrow, wish me luck.